Guys, welcome back to my channel. This week I'll be featuring the Juviasplace X Fumi Disco collection. This one comes with a palette with 4 different colors and a clear lip gloss. So stay tuned to see how I created this look. I managed to use all 4 colors on my eyes today. So, you know, that's perfect because sometimes you have to just blend and use different things. But this is what the little palette looks like. Little handheld. And these are the 4 shades that come in there. So let me know what you guys think after the video. Leave any comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see y'all soon. For today's eye look, I'll be using the Juviasplace, the Disco Party palette. It's a FumiXJuvia's collection. This is what the palette looks like. And it comes with the lip gloss. And this is the shade Disco Fever. So we'll be featuring this one today. So I went ahead and concealed my eyes with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer. And it's their whitest concealer, so it's fair, 00. Now we're gonna go in with this deeper blue here for our base shade. I'll be using DJ down here at the bottom just to kind of give a little color on the top here. It's like a cerulean blue color. Wow. I'll go back in and blend it some more. And for the shimmer, I'm going to go in with this royal blue shimmer right here, right in the little crease. Just a little close up. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit. But now we're gonna go ahead and do the under eye. And I'll be using the shade All Night Long. I'm gonna go ahead and dab a little mascara on, and then we're gonna do lashes after I do the other eye. I'm going to go in with my Divinity lashes and my Mondy lashes eyeliner / lash adhesive. Now for my lip combination, I'm using my Juviasplace lipstick in Toffee, my Juviasplace Luxe Liner in Kola, and then Juviasplace Disco Fever Lip Gloss by the FumiXJuvia's collection. Wow, it's the first time I did an ombre that was so like perfect. So before gloss. I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna do my hair, and I'll show y'all the final look. And this is the final look. These lashes are by Shop I'm Goddess, and I'll leave a link below in the description box so y'all can go and shop for those. This is a really, really pretty palette. Let me know what you guys think. Leave any comments down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your friends. I'll see y'all next time for a new look. Bye.